How to buy AMC stock on Robinhood. It was not too long ago that investors could have confidence in their stockbroker or other financial consultant. Whether you were dealing with a well-established and respected brokerage house like Merrill Lynch, Smith & Barney, or Lehman Brothers, you knew you were dealing with professionals. Dealing with the cream of the crop like Goldman Sachs meant you were putting your trust in an establishment with a superior record of performance. Well, with recent developments, what worked once is now much less of a sure thing. Who really paid for the financial disaster? Well, many employees of the financial companies lost their jobs not because of incompetence but because the public was scared away from the stock market and business simply dried up. While executives and other high-ranking Wall Street types got rich in an out-of-control stock market prior to the collapse, very few were made to pay for their part in the economic downfall. A handful went to jail, but so many more simply took their millions and started anew. The common investor took the major brunt of the disaster, often losing all or a major part of their life savings. It is no wonder that the general investing public as a whole is very hesitant to trust anyone with their money when it comes to new investments. Now the educated investor knows that eventually the stock market will return to more normal patterns and historical annual returns of 10% to 12% will once again be able to be achieved by putting money into equities. The problem now is figuring out who to trust and which expert will give you the best advice and best chance for success while investing in stocks. It is always prudent to be diversified in your investments, and that philosophy should carry over into following the opinion of a single expert in stock picking. Instead of relying on just one opinion, having the opinion of the many is a more conservative way to play the market. To deal with the possibility of a rogue stock trader or just some individual broker or brokerage house that simply does not perform up to expectations, individuals should have a three-pronged strategy for investing in stocks. With so much free information available online, it is no longer difficult for the average individual to access good information and be able to make an educated investment decision on their own. While not everyone is comfortable being their own stock expert, being well informed about particular stocks is important when dealing with any other stockbrokers or investment advisors. You will be less likely to be talked into a poor investment if you know the story behind a given company. Select a stock advisor that has many years of experience. They will be far less apt to jump on current trends and instead be more conservative. Examine their lifetime performance. Get recommendations from other sources and start slowly. Track performance, and once you are comfortable with your new broker, allocate more money to invest using their advice.